if you've been waiting for the one that already has everything done, well, this is it. With Own Solar, a finished basement, covered RV parking with hookups, a separate huge workshop, pool, spa, and over $128,000 in documented improvements. And it all starts right here with this private courtyard setting, giving you a warm and welcoming first impression. So let's go on in and take a look. As you walk through the front door, you're welcomed by vaulted ceilings and beautiful natural light. Now, right here is your main living area and dining space, anchored by a dramatic floor-to-ceiling brick fireplace with a wood-burning stove. The layout feels open yet defined, giving you flexibility for formal dining or additional seating. Now, just off to the left is the kitchen and eat-in dining area. Granite countertops, stainless KitchenAid appliances, bar seating where everyone naturally gathers. There's a built-in trash system for a clean, streamlined look, plus a reverse osmosis system for filtering drinking water right at the sink. You'll also notice two separate pantry spaces offering exceptional storage. The eat-in dining area makes entertaining easy and connects naturally to the rest of the home. Now, right off the kitchen is access to the mudroom and oversized garage. The garage features its own evaporating cooler for added comfort. Just behind the main living area is the bonus flex space and also provides access to the backyard, making it a seamless extension of the main living space. Now let's head into the primary suite, also located on this main level. It's spacious, private, and filled with natural light. One entire wall is nearly all glass with a large sliding glass door that opens directly to the backyard, creating a bright, open feel and easy outdoor access. You also have a walk-in primary closet offering generous storage, and the bathroom features dual sinks, a separate soaking tub, a walk-in shower, and a private toilet room, which is a layout that works beautifully for everyday living. Also on this main level, you'll find two additional bedrooms and another full bathroom. Now let's head downstairs to the full finished basement. This lower level expands the home, offering a large secondary living area complete with its own wood-burning fireplace, making it feel warm and inviting rather than just additional square footage. You'll also find two additional bedrooms and a full bathroom down here as well, creating two truly separate living spaces. Whether you need multi-generational living, extended guest space, teenagers retreat, or even a private home office setup, this layout gives you flexibility. Now, let's step outside. You have a covered patio with dual ceiling fans and an east-facing pool and spa with waterfall features, creating a private and enjoyable outdoor space. On the south side of the home, a second driveway leads to a rolling electric gate and covered RV parking with hookups. There's also a chain hoist system, a massive 12 by 24 powered workshop, plus multiple storage sheds on both sides of the property, offering serious flexibility for tools, equipment, or additional storage. This kind of setup is hard to find. And beyond what you can see, the roof, water heater, electrical panel, and water softener have already been addressed, adding convenience and the long-term care of the home. Well, as you can see, this home hasn't just been upgraded. It has been fully improved from the inside out, and you have the added benefit of being a corner lot, so you don't have any neighbors behind you or on the side. And there's just too many features to list. So be sure to check out the full features and upgrades list, the 3D virtual walkthrough, and more information for the home's website linked in the description. And if you'd like to see it in person, be sure to reach out. Again, I'm April Worth with Arizona Best Real Estate, and I'll see you next time. Thanks, bye.